Hi my friends, welcome to Maverick channel. Look what I got here. It is the HD home theater projector. It says it streams free TV, live news, sports, movies and more. um, it is 1080p compatible. It also has a HDMI input port, um, Bluetooth as well, and of course you can stream Netflix, Vudu, Roku, and all the rest. So it looks pretty interesting. I have another one, but I just thought maybe I should get this one since I see that it comes with a remote control, and it will make it easier for me to switch from one show to another. So let's go inside and see how what it looks like. By the way, I got it from Walmart. I don't know if I mentioned that earlier. But I got it from Walmart. Okay. Wow. Okay. Of course, it has its manuals here. I didn't know it was this big. Little remote control, which my other one doesn't have. Oh, okay. It comes with a Roku remote control as well. So two remote controls in the box. Of course, connection cable, charger, and two batteries. Okay, let's see this bad boy itself. Wow. The one I have is like half this size and it's really effective. So I didn't know this one would be this big. I guess I should have read a little bit about it, but it's okay. And let's see here. Wow. So it has an on button and HDMI cable. Alright guys, on top of it, it has a little control, let me say control center or whatever you want to call it. And as you can see, it has the power button over here. It has the return button over here. And also it has the navigation. So you see the four arrows over there. It has the home button over here as well. And finally, on top of it, it has the menu button. And also this right here is adjustable. So you can adjust it to whatever angle or degree you want using this right here. And of course it has two ports over here. One is power, the AV, and then it also have a micro SD port, HDMI, USB, and then the DC for the direct current. And you can also hook it up to your TV with this VGA port right here and the IR. It is pretty neat. You can also put it on a tripod stand right here using this little I don't know how to call it. I think a female screw end or whatever they call it, I don't know. And of course the lens is right there. And then most interestingly that I didn't know it had, it comes with a Roku stick already in place, which means for those who already are subscribed to Roku, I think you can just sign in with your current Roku. You will not need to subscribe again, which is really interesting. Okay. And of course, it's just a standard remote control that it comes with, you know. I do not see anything extraordinary, but it is interesting that, you know, it comes with one as well. Like I said earlier, the one that I have currently doesn't come with a remote control. This is just a normal, oops, sorry, Roku remote control right there. And of course it comes with 2 batteries. I guess it's for, you still have to buy some more batteries, AA batteries for either. This one takes 2 AA batteries here and 2 on the other one. So you will need 2 more batteries, AA batteries, to be able to use both remote control without switching batteries from one to another. So guys, there it is, a very quick short review of this projector. And yeah, I'll test it out and we'll give you another video on very soon.